Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be bleaching the knots on your lace frontal wig using household items. This is just the easy, or if you want to say ghetto way to do this, but we're going to get right into it. So for this project, you're going to need a Ziploc bag along with a mug or a small bowl, or you can replace those first two items with a regular plastic bowl. You'll need a plastic spoon, BW2 powder, 40 volume cream developer, neutralizing shampoo, and conditioner of your choice.
And the first step you want to do is to actually put the Ziploc bag inside of the mug or small bowl that you have. That way you can kind of protect it from the chemicals. And then I poured the BW2 powder in. And then you want to reach for your 40 volume cream developer, pour that on top of the powder, and then you're going to mix it until you get a consistency that's more like peanut butter. The reason that you want it to be so thick is so that it will not seep through your wig whenever you're applying, because that will cause it to bleach the hair, and that's what you don't want. A couple quick notes. You may have to tape the Ziploc bag to the sides of whatever you're using to mix, because that will make it easier. And also when you're applying, you want to use the back of the spoon for a smoother application. Depending on how much lace coverage you need, you may need to make multiple mixtures. And try to cover the parts of the frontal that you know you actually want to be bleached, so you can kind of ignore the places where you're going to cut off anyway. Then when you're washing it off, you want to, especially for long hair, pull the hair back away from the sink. That way you can focus on washing off just the cream without all the hair being in the way. As you can see, the lace is now a bronzy color, and that's what you want to achieve. It's definitely lighter than when I started. Then you take your neutralizing shampoo and you're going to do a wash just to set the color in. And with this part, it's just, really easy. Then you wash it off. And now, as you can see, I can clearly see my hand through the scalp of the lace, so that's a really good sign. Things are looking good. Then you want to take your conditioner and you want to apply it to the hair. Make sure you do some detangling and allow it to sit. And I want to just say that you can really see the length of this 22-inch wig coming through right now. So then I allowed it to sit for about half an hour because I had to run an errand. So when I got back, then I continued my process. Finally, you want to wash the conditioner out of the hair. Make sure you're very thorough to get it all out. After washing the conditioner out, I just hung it up on my cabinets, and it was just really convenient for me because it could drain right into the sink. I did want to show you some of the shedding that happened. That was a little bit right there, and then some in the sink, just from this hair that I noticed. Not much, but then I went in with my Can-2 leave-in conditioner, and I just took like 2 pea sizes and applied it to the wet hair because I didn't want the hair just to dry without product, so I applied that to the hair and then did a little bit more detangling just with my fingers. This is the hair once most of the water had drained out of it. You can see that the curls are really looking defined, and that's what you get from having the leave-in conditioner on the wet hair. So I'd really recommend doing that. So now this is how it looks. Ooh. We have a beautiful natural looking scalp. I didn't have a problem with any bronzing using my method. So this is a really easy way to go. In my first video where I made a review of this hair, by the way, you should go check it out if you haven't seen it. You can really see the hair true to its length, so now you can see it's all the way down to my waist. So my frontal was professionally installed by my best friend Brianna, who is a cosmetologist. I will put the link to her channel in the description so you can go check her out as well. She has a YouTube channel where she reviews hair and will have other content as well. So I just want to do a quick shout out for her. Love you, girl. This is the final product and how my hair turned out.
There's no way.
I was really happy with the result because honestly I didn't think I could bleach the knots by myself because, as I've said before, I'm not a hairstylist and I am the furthest thing from that, but if I can do it, that means you can too. So I have all confidence in you. Go get it, girl.
This concludes the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. As always, it's Danny4L here, peacing out, and you can hashtag D4L if you wish to tag me on social media. Thanks guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.